Hello everyone, so I'm back today with a new video. This video is really highly requested. It's my makeup collection. Just a quick little disclaimer, to some people my collection is like massive and to some people it's like nothing, but it's my collection and I'm happy with it. So yeah, just a little thing. I'm not like boasting or anything like that. I've worked really hard to get where I am. So yeah, it's just showing you guys my collection because so many people have requested to see it. I use the IKEA laex straws with the desk, if anyone wants to know where that's from, and the mirror with the lights is from B&M. Okay, so starting off here on the left hand side of my desk, I've got my Nivea Double Effect, as you all know, and just loads of little random things like this where I keep my eyelashes. Then I've got like a lipstick container, so my YSL, my MAC, and just other matching lipsticks. My Skin Kissed serum, which I use every night and every morning. I've got some like temporary tattoos and stuff in there, just random stuff. Lots of little pictures. I just want to say on my wrist is also a temporary tattoo if you're wondering what on earth is on my wrist, because I know someone's probably going to comment. But yeah, I've got some bath bombs, just some random stuff basically. It all lives here. And then we have my brushes. So at the back is where my face brushes are stored. Then I have my sort of least used eye brushes, and then my most used eye brushes, and then my sponges and silly sponges and all that. Then we have this little mirror with like storage at the bottom. Then behind these palettes I have like sprays, so like facial spray, brush cleaning spray. There's loads of random sprays here basically. Then here are my palettes. So I also have my mirror from Jazzle Dazzle. Any discount codes I will leave below, by the way. And here's just some of my favourite palettes or palettes that I need to use. So there's one from Eye Candy. Classic sort of Z palette from Heatherloo Cosmetics, ABH Modern Renaissance. There's absolutely loads in here, but these are my most used palettes that I always reach for. Okay, so first drawer, this is where I keep a lot of stuff. So basically my glitter first of all. You can't see all of it because they are stacked, but I've got absolutely tons of it and I keep it just there basically. Got more glitter down the side and pomades and little eyeliner pots and stuff like that. Then we have actual eyeliners, so like liquid eyeliners, glitter liners, coloured liners, stuff like that. Brow gels, sort of mascara testers, little small ones. Then here is like nude lipsticks, so everyday lipsticks that I use all the time, the pinks, the nudes, yeah, everyday colours. Then we've got like eyelash glue, lid primers, lots and lots of Revolution concealers and other concealers, but they all live there. Then behind it I have lipsticks that I often use but aren't traditional colours. So I've got a metallic one, my bright pink one that I love. Okay, second drawer, this is where I keep all of my eyelashes. So I have recently thrown a lot of old packaging and stuff out, but there you go, biscuit lashes. But there's loads of different brands in here, and I also keep my mascara and my pencils in here as well, because I don't really have a lot of pencils, and I don't really have anywhere else for them to live, so they kind of just all go here. My favourite, Wet n Wild Lash Renegade, so good, it's literally the best. I also keep my little tape in here as well, because that really hasn't got a space anywhere else. Okay, third drawer, I'm just going to quickly whiz through this drawer. It's just skincare and hair care, nothing special. I'll show you some, odd bits on the screen, but it's nothing special. Fourth drawer, this is where I keep all my foundations and my powders, and any other little sample bits as well. So my bronzers, highlighters, face powders, primers as well. They all live in here, so I'll show you some of my favourite bronzers, some powders, little MAC Soft and Gentle. Stuff is like stacked on top of each other because I haven't got a lot of room for it to go. But yeah, basically. And I've also got some little pots with foundation in it from Reading Festival, because obviously I don't want to take the glass packaging with me, so I just, put my primer, put my powder in these pots, which is really good, and then I can sort of reuse it now I'm home. Some of my favourite foundations, Superstay. You all know I love that foundation. Okay, this is the last drawer. So in here is just like eyeshadow palettes basically that I don't use like every single day, and there's also some single shadows in here as well. So I'm just going to go through, you know, basically what's in here. There's a lot of Revolution palettes, which you'll see on the screen now, that just live down here basically. I don't normally use these palettes a lot. I should try and use them more than I do, but yeah, basically this is where they live. Okay, so that was the quick run through of my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, you know, what you think. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all of my socials. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was, I don't know what I'm filming here. Oh yeah, I'm filming my chair. Basically, this is just like a storage chair, just so that I can put stuff in it, if that makes sense, just because it's easier. You know, because I don't have a lot of room. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just do a little slow-mo of all of my drawers. And just a quick little disclaimer, they don't always look like this. I'm very, very messy, so they easily, you know, get messed up and get dirty, especially the third drawer you're seeing now, the skincare and stuff. I literally never go through that drawer because it's just, there's just too much stuff basically. I am hoping to get another set of laex drawers soon, just so I can spread everything out a bit more and expand my collection a bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any tips and tricks, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.